Good day to you all. Today, we'll be doing our investigator project using malunggay or Moringa oleifera seeds as water purifier.
Our study is to determine if malunggay seeds can purify water effectively. An alternative for buying water in stores because it is the way you only need to reproduce this seed. The researchers want to know how to purify sea, water, or rainwater by using malunggay seeds. This may help in way that we can save not just only our money but also our environment. Finally, to use salt water as drinking water without buying water, as I said, from the stores by using the malunggay seeds. And this way, the purified water by malunggay seeds will be affected to be safe to drink.
Water with moringa seeds. First step, collect mature moringa oleifera seed pods and remove seeds from pods. Second step, shell seeds or remove seed pod to obtain clean seed kernels. Discard discolored seeds. Third step, determine quantity of kernels needed based on amount and turbidity of water. In one general seed kernel with 1 liter of water. Fourth step, crush appropriate number of kernels using grinder, mortar, and pestle, etc. To obtain a fine powder and sift the powder through a screen or small mesh. Fifth step, mix seed powder with a small amount of clean water to form a paste. Sixth step, mix the paste and 250 ml or 1 cup of clean water into a bottle and shake for 1 minute to activate the coagulant properties and form a solution. Seventh step, filter the solution through a muslin cloth or fine mesh screen or to remove insoluble materials and into the water to be treated. Eighth step, stir treated water rapidly for at least 1 minute, then slowly 15 to 20 rotations per minute for 5 to 10 minutes. Ninth step, let the treated water sit without disturbing for at least 1 to 2 hours. 10th step, when the particles and contaminants have settled to the bottom, the clean water can be carefully poured off. The last step, this clean water can then be filtered or sterilized to make it completely safe for drinking.
Hello, this is Alvin Joshua of 9 Ferrando, group of Marty Angelo Camacho. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean water with malunggay seeds. First, collect malunggay seeds and remove the seed from the pods. Then, after removing the seed from the pods, you need to shell the seed. Literally, you need to shell it, like remove the shell. Then, crush it until you make a powder. Then, put it into the dirty water and start to shake it like this. Then, you only need a couple of times to make it purified. Then, after a minute or so, you'll get an effect like this. Clean, purified water. Dirt in the bottom, purified water on top.